Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Star Atlas DAO Paulus records in every practical sense, descending development today in a significant way. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. The exceptionally current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner. 28 September 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some things, facts. What generally is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO really is Paulus a sort of wise venture, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Paulus specialized examination, explicitly let us especially discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely further appearance how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is very critical. The live Star Atlas DAO cost today in a real sense is $125,860 win United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $186.0 win 0 United States dollars, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. We for the most part update our Paulus to United States dollars cost progressively in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is down 28% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. The really current market cap kind of positioning fundamentally is number 570, with a live market cap of $19,257,486 United States dollars, exhibiting that the genuinely current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO, sort of, is at $305,944, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It generally has a circling supply of 153,005,849 Paulus coins and the maximum, which by and that's what large shows yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Paulus specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, most certainly further appearance how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on. Or so they sort of thought. Supply of 360,000,000 Paulus coins, so Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents incredibly. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,057,668,317,807, showing that Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth. Which especially is genuinely critical. The complete exchanging volume especially remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the sort of current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO most certainly is at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, which basically shows that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $26,382,683,370 in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which by and large is very huge. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere around 0.72 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, so Star Atlas DAO Paulus records kind of descending development today, or so they truly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how 28 September 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some things, facts. What especially is truly momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, especially as Paulus a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a descending course for fundamentally present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Right now, and especially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of shows that yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Paulus specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss this sort of current economic situations in every practical sense. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO execution. The fundamentally current Star Atlas DAO value sort of is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the sort of current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO especially is at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner. As of now, Paulus especially is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is very critical. Assuming that you might want to truly know where to in every practical sense, purchase Star Atlas DAO at the genuinely current rate. The sort of top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Star Atlas DAO stock truly are presently Gate.io, MEXC, Kraken, Latican, Anasendex, Bitmax, which in every practical sense shows that Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. You can generally find others recorded on our crypto trades page, essentially further appearance how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, which explicitly shows that the in every practical sense all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,382,683,370, which certainly is very huge. The most effective method to explicitly partake in a very significant manner. To offer during the IEO, truly ensure you by and large read the standards beneath and in every practical sense, do the accompanying in advance. Register actually your FTX account and generally certainly submit kick level 2, which sort of is genuinely huge. Because of a truly enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that sort of your kick will generally be explicitly supported before the IEO, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, certainly be encouraged to in every practical sense, submit kick when genuinely conceivable and generally get really supported to be by and large qualified for the IEO, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO by and large shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they for the most part thought. Note that you should in a real sense have it kind of the most on 150 FTT marked on FTX to explicitly partake in the IEO.